Thank you. Organizing Chairman, PP Chemiching, distinguished guest of honor, Yang Muhammad Dato Sri Wong Minister of Finance to Minister of Local Government and Community Development, represented by Yang Muhammad Dr. Jurin Susio, Assistant Minister for Public Health, Sarawak. District Governor-elect Andreas Suharto and Charming spouse, Nozan. Assistant Governor Abdullah Bodan and Charming spouse. Outgoing President Dr. Willie Lau and Charming spouse, Edith. Yang Muhammad Datuk Kapting Dating. Presidents, representatives and respective spouses of Rotary Club of Kuching, Kuching South, Kuching Jaya, Singapore Queenstown, Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei, Singapore E-Club, and Tanjung Bakar, Singapore. Rotary International District 3310 officers, Rotaractors of Women Sarawak Institute of Technology and the lecturer advisor, interactors of SMK Kuching High, SMK Kuching Bandar No. 1, SMK Kabok, and SN Science, and their respective teacher advisors. Distinguished guests, members of the press, fellow Rotarians and spouses, ladies and gentlemen. Personally, on behalf of the Rotary Club of Kuching Central, I would like to express our profound gratitude to our distinguished guest of honor, YB Dato Sri Wong Chun Tong, represented by YB Dr. Jurin Susio, Assistant Minister for Public Health, Sarawak, who is present here, and for accepting our invitation to grace this occasion. Since the chapter of the Rotary Club of Kuching Central in July 1986, this club has been served by a long list of capable and committed club presidents. Many successful community projects have been implemented, and they addressed the needs of our communities in Sarawak and communities in other countries. Our club has also developed and produced leaders who are capable of serving in Rotary beyond the club level. 8 of our past presidents have served as assistant governors and other positions at Rotary District 3310 level over the years. And our pride, our very own DGE, Andreas Suharto, will be serving as district governor. Therefore, I feel indeed honored and privileged to be elected as the 28th President of the Rotary Club of Kuching Central. I accept this position with humility and pledge to serve my Rotary to the best of my ability. Without my club members, I won't be able to do anything. Every Rotary year is guided by a theme selected by the President of Rotary International. This is to ensure that every Rotary club in the world will move in tandem with the same focus and emphasis. For the year 2013-2014, Rotary International President Ron Burton requested all Rotarians worldwide to engage Rotary and change lives for the better. The idea is to make sure that every single Rotarian has the same feeling about Rotary and a meaningful role to play. All members should engage in Rotary, inspired by Rotary, and use the power of Rotary to change lives for the better. As Rotarians, we Rotary lend a hand to our communities and to the world. We lend a hand to our fellow Rotarians, those who are members of our club and those abroad who need help in tackling problems in their own community. Sometimes this simple gesture is all that is needed to transform a person's life. In other cases, one hand can become many. As Rotarians work together to eradicate polio, raise literacy levels, provide low-cost shelters, resolve conflicts, and help alleviate suffering for many people, including the provision of a solar-powered electricity supply for Rumah Panggang in Lombok Antu. This is a joint project of the Rotary Club of Kuching Central and our sister club, the Rotary Club of Seosan, South Korea, and 11 other Rotary clubs, also from South Korea, under a matching grant project where some of the funding comes from the Rotary Foundation. The solar power project is expected to overcome the logistical challenge of bringing diesel to such an isolated location on a regular basis. When implemented, it will provide a small amount of electricity independently to individual families of the community, thereby enabling 24-hour refrigeration for storage of food and basic lighting at any time. In accordance with Rotary International goals, emphasis will be placed on the number of service projects for the current Rotary year. Rotary clubs will also be recognized for achievements that promote our membership growth, enhance humanitarian services through our Rotary Foundation, and strengthen our network through the Rotary family. I urge all Rotarians to place the family at the center of their quest for service above self, and to consider it a touchstone of efforts to increase and retain membership. This is also to encourage our club to care for fellow Rotarians and the extended members of Rotary's family, that is, their spouses and children, and as well as spouses of deceased Rotarians. We need to create and nurture an atmosphere of warmth and care. This greater sense of a family atmosphere within our club is so important to the overall health of Rotary. It will not only make our Rotary membership more meaningful, more importantly, it will also support the work we do outside our club. Rotarians will continue to develop their professional and business skills to participate in local and international service projects related to the following Rotary areas of focus. Engage Rotary in promoting peace and conflict resolution. Engage Rotary in addressing disease prevention and treatment and other medical care areas. Example, support polio eradication globally, preventative blindness, AIDS awareness, maternal and child health, and other healthcare issues. Engage Rotary in promoting and enhancing basic educational and literacy programs, particularly for women. engage Rotary in promotion of economic and community development. Engage Rotary in undertaking projects related to provision of clean water and sanitation services. That's why there's so many engaged. We're happy over here in our panel. It's the Rotary International team for Iribaye from now. My fellow Rotarians, let us work together and with our communities to actively seek out opportunities in which we can all engage Rotary and change lives for the better. Many of our members, especially the organizing committee under the most ever chairmanship of PP, we call him Papa Chen Yiqing, have put tremendous effort for tonight's occasion. I would like to convey my profound gratitude to Papa Chen and his team of committee members. To our guests, friends, and the many supporters of Rotary, thank you very much for your kind attendance and generous contributions towards the causes of Rotary organization. I wish each and everyone a productive and healthy year ahead. Thank you.